Here I've got the OnePlus 7 Pro, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Then you have to scroll down and pick system, so it's almost the last icon. And now the second tab is language and input, so click on it and tap on languages. Here by tapping on other language, so the plus icon, you can pick the one that you would like to have on your device. As you can see, OnePlus prepared a wide list of languages, so everyone will find something suitable. So let me pick, for example, Filipino. Now hold it for a while and swipe it up to make Filipino a default one. So let's go back. As you can see, everything now is in Filipino. If you would like to go back to English or some other language, just open the system one more time, then select the second tab, which is the one with the word icon, pick first tab, and now swipe up the second language to be a default one. You can also permanently delete some language from this list by tapping on more icon, the three dots one in the right upper corner, and click on remove. Select the one that you would like to remove, and finally tap on the bin icon. Confirm it by tapping on OK, and that's it. As you can see now, you're back in English, and English is the only language in this device, in this OnePlus 7 Pro. So that's it. This is how you can change the language in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.